Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K and this is a unboxing review of the Anker soundbuds. These are the Bluetooth headset done by Anker themselves. These are more well known for the USB wires and all that lot. Like USB wires and other power banks and electronics. Mostly they do stuff on Amazon, and up to now, they're highly recommended company. But I've got an iPhone 6 and obviously I'm due for an upgrade pretty soon. So I went shopping around and see what the iPhone 7's like, and the AirPods I'm gonna get now. It's only gonna be them for the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. So I thought, sorry, I'll take a gamble. I got these for my iPhone 6. Here they are. Yeah, on and off, volume, or your controls really. So you got the extra, if the ones that you come with it is medium, small or large. You get your charger cable, you get your carrier bag, extra neck strap. So as I was doing a bit of research, from what I've been told, obviously no Bluetooth headsets will work on the iPhone 7. This is what from Carphone Warehouse, bloke at Carphone Warehouse told me. So like, sorry, I'll get a pair anyway. If that's the case, I'll go with a Samsung. When they sort the battery problem out. But a friend's got the iPhone 7. I paired it up to that, and they work. So they worry about, will any Bluetooth headsets work on the iPhone 7? These definitely do. So I think the others will do. So had it working. His music popped up through there, pretty fine. YouTube, fine. So I haven't really had a chance to really thrash these out, see how long they, last wise. But I've had them for about, I've used them for about, say, 10 hours and still going strong. So obviously, charged up, mini USB. Comfort wise, they are quite comfortable. You can just adjust how you want your neck thing, and it's pretty easy to set up with your iPhone 7. So plus I think these cost, I got these on sale. I think they were about £20 or something like that. And the sound quality is good. Connect it, you can get quite a bit of distance with them without them fading. So either pay £160 on 2 plastic things that can just flop anyway, or spent 20-30 quid. You can't grumble with these. So, or any other brand. So the theory of, you've got to have the AirPods, Apple's only Bluetooth, that's a load of knackers. So Right, this has been Thanks T2K, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.